We are here at Orlando at SeaWorld and we're back. Last time we came, we got rained out, but this time we're trying to make it before the rain. Who do I have here today? Who's here today?
Testimony.
That's the Moni. And we're gonna have some fun today, right?
Yes, sir.
What are we gonna do?
I don't know.
Go on some roller coasters, right?
Yeah, sure.
So we just checked in. It's a packed house today. Lots of people. So come along with us as we begin our journey. Pelicans here.
Yeah, we got pelicans.
Got a lot of flamingos over here. Caribbean flamingos to be exact. Okay, so we are going to go to the Dolphin Show and it just opened up. Where do the dolphins live? Now look how many species of dolphins there are. It says there are 30 different types of marine dolphins and 4 types of river dolphins. Wow. Now this is educational. I did not know dolphins can go up to certain types to 30 feet long. Wow. So we're here waiting. What are we watching again?
The Dolphin Show. So, we're right by the Dolphin Show, but we gotta wait for 1 o'clock.
See that one?
Yes, sir. Woo! Yeah, they're teaching them. Oh my god, that's cool. Belly flop. Oh my god! Oh my goodness! Ready, set. Woo! Nice. Oh my god! Woo! Woo! Go.
There you go.
Do you like this or not?
Yes, I do.
That might be too far, right?
No, right about here. Perfect.
Oh my god.
Too close, too loud, too right there. Perfect.
Woo! She just.
Yeah.
You just missed the other one. And the other one. Oh! Oh shoot! Maybe too hard. Oh my god! They are crazy!
You like this? You like this dolphin show?
Yeah, I love dolphins. It was a great show, worth seeing.
You recommend people coming out?
100%.
Okay, so we're taking a little break, getting a little snack. Okay, we're 7 minutes away. Okay, so not that much time after we left our lunch, guess what happened? So we're trying to make it across the bridge to watch the Orca Show. So we're hopefully that it doesn't take too long because our show starts in 30 minutes and we're trying to make it across that bridge. So very familiar environment. Every time we be coming to SeaWorld, it's been raining. So we'll see if we'll make it. We're here. We made it. Right before the show starts. Hey, where are we?
So we're at the Orca Show. Or it look like a whale, but they're not the same names. Wait, the show's about to start.
So testimony. We're gonna videotape you nice and dry right now, and we'll see what happens. Wow. Ooh, come on. This is amazing. Here we go. Wow. Oh, wow. Wow, my gosh. This is awesome.
Two members of our killer whale family swim, turn, exit, and re-enter the water. But in this scenario, if Micaiah were to come onto a scale with that peduncle in the water, we're not getting an accurate weight on him. So we're able to solve that problem by asking him to lift his tail up and out of the water. Training this posture enables 1, 2, 3, spin. He's watching. Look at that, he got it.
Oh, that was cool.
Great mix here. Nicely done. Hey, have a ride. As you all can see, killer whales are amazing.
Oh, here you go. Watch out! Oh, it's coming, it's coming. The splash is coming. Oh,
you're full.
He was like he was watering the garden over there. Oh,
that was high, cuz.
whoa, watch out. Whoa, that's coming, that's coming.
Gotta hide the food, hide the food.
Oh, where is it coming? Whoa.
Oh, slow it down.
Oh!
Oh my god.
Okay, this is fun. This is fun. Oh, this is fun. Oh, that's coming to you. Now that one reached the top. That one reached the top.
That was to the cameraman.
Now that was a half court shot, guaranteed.
Wow.
Okay, let's see what they got next. Oh, come on, round 2. Oh, okay, here we go.
That bugger was flash right here.
Okay, Moni. That's nuts. Oh, that's nuts. Yeah! Wow!
Hey guys, so I never get wet yet, so good thing I never get wet.
Yeah, but it came pretty close, right?
Yeah, pretty close.
Would you recommend it, people to come and watch this show?
Yeah, sure.
What would you give it out of a 10?
10 stars.
10 stars guaranteed?
Yes. And subscribe.
Hit the
and share, and
notification,
comment.
share, comment. And subscribe to our channel.
Aloha, Travers.